Hello friends, let's coloring mini burger and I have some stickers to paste them. Here we go. This color is brown. This is red. This is green. And this one is light brown. Here we go. Okay, it's time to paste some stickers. Mm, this is funny popcorn. Yeah, here we go. I will paste it here. Funny popcorn. And now I'll use this one. Do you like it? A rainbow with star. Next one is unicorn. This one, a unicorn with the moon. I think I should paste it right here, and now I will paste this a fish right here, and here is a rainbow. This one. Did you like the rainbow? I think I should paste right here. And I have some more. Here is a lolly. This way. Now I want to select this ice cream with a happy star here. It's done. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye.